that it's easy to figure you out. If I can have you now, then easy is what I'm about. Do I want you, or do I want the commitment? Do I like that shit?
The number you have dialed has been changed.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I would like to thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ainur Maulina. Here I will discuss about math material in grade 8 junior high school in the system of linear equation of the variable. If in the previous episode, I will explain learning mathematics about a system of linear equation with one variable. In this episode, I will explain learning mathematics about a system of linear equation with two variables. Want to know more? Follow me. I divide my presentation into separate chapters, namely the first is definition of linear equation of two variables. The second is definition of system of linear equation of two variables. The third is step to complete SPLDV. The fourth is SPLDV solution method. The first is that we will discuss the definition of linear equation of two variables. A linear equation of two variables is an equation that contains two variables where the power or degree of each variable is equal to 1. General form PLDV is ax plus by equals c, with x and y are called variables. The second, we will discuss about definition, a system of linear equation of two variables. A system of linear equation of two variables is two linear equations of two variables that have a relationship between them and have one solution. As PLDV general form, the first equation is ax plus by equals c. The second equation is px plus qy equals r, with x and y is called variable, a, b, p, q is called variation, c and r is called a constant. The three, I will explain about solving the variable linear equation system. Before solving a system of two variable equation, we must know what are the steps that must be considered when solving SPLDV. There are certain steps in this SPLDV system, including the first, substituting for each quantity contained in the problem use a variable, generally denoted by letters or symbol. Next is to create a mathematical model for the problem. The mathematical model will be formulated as the general form of the SPLDV above. Finally, looking for a solution from the problem model by using the SPLDV solution method. And finally, we will learn that what methods are used in SPLDV. There are three methods that can be used to solve SPLDV, namely the first graphic method. In the graph method, we will draw a graph of the two equations that we have created. The easiest way to draw a graph is to find the point where it intersects the x-axis and the y-axis. Question: find the solution of the first equation is negative x plus y equals 70. The second equation is 2x minus y equals 30. Answer. From the first equation is negative x plus y equals 70. When x equals 0, then y equals 70, so that the point x point y equals 0.70. When y equals 0, then x equals negative 70, so that the point x point y equals negative 70.0. The form of the graph can be seen on the side. Next, from the second equation is 2x minus y equals 30. When x equals 0, then y equals negative 30, so that the point x point y equals 0.30. When y equals 0, then x equals 15, so that the point x point y equals 15.0. The sum of the graph can be seen on the side. If the two graphs above are combined, the following graph is obtained. So the point of intersection of the two lines is x point y equals 100.170. The second, substitution method. The substitution method aims to replace the value of a variable in an equation from another equation. Question: find the solution of the first equation x plus 2y equals 8. The second equation 2x minus y equals 6. Answer: the first step, we take the first equation to be substituted, namely x plus 2y equals 8. Next, we change the equation to x equals 8 minus 2y. Next, the modified equation x equals 8 minus 2y is substituted into equation 2x minus y equals 6 becomes 2 times quantity 8 minus 2y plus quantity minus y equals 6. Next, 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times negative 2y equals negative 4y minus y equals 6. Next, 16 negative 4y minus y equals negative 5y equals 6. Negative 5y equals 6 minus 16. Next, negative 5y equals negative 10. Negative times negative equals positive. 5y equals 10. Y equals 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Next, the substitute the value of y equals 2 into 1 of the equation. X plus 2y equals 8. X plus 2 times 2 equals 8. X plus 4 equals 8. X equals 4. So the solution of the above equation is x equals 4 and y equals 2. The three elimination method. This method aims to eliminate one variable to determine the value of the other variable. Question: find the solution of the first equation negative x plus y equals 70. The second equation 2x minus y equals 30. Answer: find the value of x equals the coefficient of y. The first equation is negative x plus y equals 70. The second equation is 2x minus y equals 30. Since the y coefficient of the two equations are already the same, it can be solved directly using the addition operation to eliminate the value of y. Negative x plus y equals 70 plus 2x minus y equals 30. Negative x plus 2x equals x. Y plus negative y equals 0. 70 plus 30 equals 100. So, x equals 100. To find the value of y equals the coefficient of x, so that the x coefficient of the two equations are the same. Then multiply the first equation by 2 and multiply the second equation by 1. Next, solve if by using the addition operation to remove the value of x. Negative 2x plus 2x equals 0. 2y plus negative y equals y. 140 plus 30 equals 170. So, y equals 170. Based on the elimination method with values of x equals 100 and y equals 170, and 70. So much material that can be conveyed. Thank you for listening. Hopefully everything I share is useful for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.